Hello, it's dumplet here. Here's an item on algebra. If x plus 1 over x equals 5, what is the value of x cubed plus 1 over x cubed? This is a classic algebra item, and I got this question from the Art of Problem Solving community, so credits to them. As usual, pause this video if you'd like to give this item a try. But if you're done, let us dive into the solution. Now, there's a lot of ways to solve this item. You can try to solve for x, but usually whenever we're given with some expression like x plus 1 over x over here, and we're trying to get another value which is not x, so we're trying to get another expression like x cubed plus 1 over x cubed, we might be able to do this via manipulation, and indeed we can. So let's try to think about what we can do to manipulate. So for example, we have this thing as a given, and we wanted to reach this point after some manipulation. Well, it kind of makes sense that, okay, we might want to cube this expression because, the x and the 1 over x here, well, in the final answer, it should be like x cubed and 1 over x cubed. And it kind of makes sense to cube both sides. Now, let's try to see here. I have x plus 1 over x equals 5, and we are motivated to cube both sides because at least I'll get something that's x cubed and 1 over x cubed, and maybe something's gonna be nice like after I do the cubing. So let's try to do that. I'm just going to follow this formula. A plus b quantity cubed is going to be this one, but we're going to use the one below because for reasons you're going to see later. So let's say the x here is the a and the 1 over x here is the b. So a cubed, it's going to be x cubed. And then b cubed, it's going to be 1 over x cubed. Now, plus the 3ab times a plus b. So 3ab, so it's 3 times x times 1 over x, and then a plus b. Now a plus b, that's x plus 1 over x, but that's just simply equal to 5. So we can just have 5 over here. And what's nice here is that, well, this is equal to x plus 1 over x quantity cubed, so we know that this would be equal to 125, which is just 5 cubed. So 5 cubed is going to give you the 125. Now what's nice about this is that we can cancel these two. So this part is just the 3 times 5 equals 125. So we can actually just solve for whatever this thing is, because I have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 times 5, which is equal to 15. That's equal to 125. So just simply do 125 minus 15. On the right-hand side here, we're going to get that x cubed plus 1 over x cubed is equal to 110. And this will be our final answer. So these type of classic algebra manipulation questions, it might appear in some of the national Olympiads and international Olympiads or competitions that you may be attending. Alright, so hopefully you guys learned something new from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!